Welcome. In this video, I will show you what to do if you cannot access your Samsung Galaxy A37 5G using your lock screen pattern. If your smartphone isn't recognizing your pattern, the best decision in order to resolve this issue would be reaching out to Samsung customer support service. If you can provide them with the proof of the ownership of your smartphone, their customer support service will be able to help you out and resolve this issue without removing the data from your smartphone. Therefore, I consider it the best option. However, if it's not the option for you, then first of all, if you have access to your device using any alternative methods of signing in, for example, fingerprint scanner or face recognition scanner, now first of all, you're going to have to access your device and then back up the data either using some built-in services or by connecting your device by a cable to a computer. And after backing up all the important data from your smartphone to an external device, PC, SSD, or an SD card, whatever, you're going to have to perform a factory reset operation. You can either do it through the settings, although I think you're going to need to enter your password in order to perform factory reset through the settings, but generally you can access this menu in general settings, and but then by scrolling down to reset, you can select factory data reset and then wait until the factory reset is finished. Now, the other way to perform a factory reset operation is by either accessing the SmartThings Find website, signing into the Samsung account that is linked with your Samsung smartphone, and then selecting factory reset operation there, which we can do remotely from any other device. So if you can't access your device at all, you can use this method. Just open SmartThings Find, sign into your Samsung account, and select your Samsung and perform a factory reset operation on it. Or if you don't have a Samsung account, you can open the Find Hub website by Google, sign into the Google account that is linked with your Samsung, and after that perform a factory reset operation remotely using the Find Hub service. Or you can use the recovery mode on your smartphone. However, if you'd like to see the guidance on how to perform factory reset operation through the recovery mode, you're gonna have to check the separate video on our channel, which is titled how to perform factory reset operation through recovery mode on Samsung Galaxy A37 5G. And after performing a factory reset operation, your device will be erased, all the data will be erased, and you're going to have to set up your device once again, and then if you prepared a backup, you'll be able to restore the important data from the backup. Now, if you do remember your device's lock screen pattern, but your device will still not let you in, then in such case, we can try to check whether some third-party application or some background process isn't blocking our access to the smartphone. To do that, we're gonna have to enter the safe mode on the smartphone. And to enter the safe mode, we're gonna have to force shut down our device first. So hold down power button and volume down key for about 10 seconds. Then the screen of our device will go off. You will see Samsung Galaxy logo once again. Wait for 3 to 5 seconds. And after this time, start holding down the volume down key of your smartphone and wait until you are restarted into the safe mode. Okay, in the safe mode, you will see this indicator in the bottom left corner of your device's screen. Now, try to unlock your device normally, and in case you succeed, you're gonna have to go to settings. Well, of course, you're gonna have to determine which application could have caused this kind of issue, but before we do that, let's go to security and privacy, lock screen, enter the lock screen once again to access these settings, and change the screen lock to either swipe or none. And that's it. After that, we'll be able to restart the phone normally by pressing a power button and volume down key for a couple of seconds and selecting restart. So thank you so much for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.